Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Some days ago, Enugu indigenes cried out over the level of insecurity and the roles Fulani herdsmen have been playing against their people. A lot of persons went down, a lot of persons were hacked. People cried out insecurity everywhere. But as we speak, IPOB have decided to make a move to safeguard that particular region, and this is what they have to say concerning it. But before we go into the news proper, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Don't also forget that in some parts of southeastern states, the government are more comfortable with the Nigerian security agencies than IPOB's ESN. Now let's go straight into the news. Angered by the recent bringing down of indigenes of Ihamofu and Ogbuji in Isiuzo local government area of Enugu State by suspected herdsmen on Sunday, the people of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB has deployed a security wing, Eastern Security Network ESN, to avert the incidents. Media and Publicity Secretary of the group, Ima Powerful, in a statement on Thursday, disclosed that gallant security men from ESN have been sent to the community just as it warned the headers to stay away from the land or test their wrath once again. We don't understand why most politicians and stakeholders are not protecting citizens from Fulani attacks in the hands of this squad sent to bring down and eliminate our people, but IPOB and ESN will not allow that to happen. We are coming to display our might to these Fulanis in every part of Biafra, he said. Powerful has also accused the security operatives of causing distraction to ESN by arresting and bringing them while the killer herdsmen, he said, are allowed to walk freely and commit various crimes. The same double-faced and Fulani-controlled Nigerian security agencies hunting for the operatives of ESN, that's Eastern Security Network, are watching Fulani herdsmen as they continue to bring down people across Biafra land. Instead of halting this movement against innocent Biafrans, the compromised, complacent Nigerian security agencies take pleasure in bringing down our volunteers defending our ancestral land, Ima Powerful says. Now, the bringing down of innocent Biafrans at Ihamofu in Enugu State as at Wednesday morning, unchallenged by the security agent, is another confirmation of the role of the Nigerian security agencies in this agenda of the Fulanis in Nigeria. The movement on the hapless people of Aham Amufu and Agbuji community in Isiuzo local government area has proved that Nigerian security agency singular agenda in Biafra land is to be distracting the ESN and IPOB and thereby creating the environment for Fulani herdsmen to continue with their land grabbing tendency and atrocities against Biafran communities. We, I'm quoting him now, we the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB therefore want to remind the Fulanis masquerading as herdsmen and their partners in crime that they won't succeed in Biafra land as long as we exist. Our gallant men will again teach them in the only language they understand. We did it before and they attested to that, and we shall do it again. Since the Nigerian security agencies have chosen to provide cover for these known guys bringing down law-abiding and innocent citizens, it has also become an existential duty on IPOB to keep defending our ancestral land no matter the cost. The army, the police, and the DSS are quick to use all they have against us. But look the other way when Fulanis masquerading as herdsmen embark upon their pillage and on innocent Biafrans. IPOB has also accused the Enugu State Governor and other politicians, including traditional rulers and the Ohanese security outfit, Ebubagu, of turning away from the atrocities committed by these herdsmen. They have suddenly gone blind, deaf, and dumb over the bringing down of innocent citizens in the state. Where is their forest guard nonsense, which they set up obviously to fight ASN? Where is their Ebube monkey? Ebube monkey. Where is the Ebube monkey joke, which their masters compel them to set up as counterforce against ASN? Now that our mothers are being brought down, their stomachs, oh my god, let's look into this. This is uh IPOB have made up their mind to come all out. I do not know how this will play out, because I do know one thing for sure, that the whole government, especially when it comes to the southeastern states, they're actually looking out for them. I could still also remember some time ago, during the interview with Ima Powerful in China's television, Ima Powerful was confident to tell the whole world who cared to listen that ESN camp cannot be broken into. He also explained also that all those people that the security personnel are parading are actually not ESN persons, but they are innocent, very innocent Southeasterners, being paraded as such. Right now, if you have been following the news, you would agree with me that this Fulani militias, they are actually almost everywhere. And when it comes to the southwest too, I think at some point Gani Adams also cried out. They formed Namotekon. They've been almost been having a field day. I would have said when it comes to the issue of insecurity, it's not one man's business, it's everybody's business. If I mentioned it in the first instance, but they said no, it's not possible. But unfortunately, I think it's also not possible, because the way it is now, I don't think ESL will take any directive from any other person than Mazin Namdekano himself. And not right now, Mazin Namdekano is in detention. But if you watch this very critically, you notice that even though Mazin Namdekano is in detention, these guys are still following orders. They're following orders. Now, one of the reasons why people resort to self-help and self security measures is simply because the insecurity in Nigeria has heightened. If you live your life to chance and you live by mistake, anything can happen. So if there's formation of vigilantes here and there, and that is true, that brings us to the question of Ibubago. Where is Ibubago? Yes, they formed them. Yes, they gave them some vehicles, but no, we've not really seen very active actions against them. Although heard one or two things they did. I think in Ebonyi State, there about Ebonyi and Imo State. I think that's where it ends. We've not really seen their effect. Where are they? Have they been trained? Have they been deployed? What really are they doing? Let the people feel their impact. Now that if they don't want IPOB or ESN to do their thing, then let the Bubuelgu guys step up so that they can at least protect the people, because that's the whole essence why ESN was created. So everybody should step into the shoes, since they don't want ESN to be in the shoes.